It's time to get to work on the solar panels and nothing's gonna stop us.
Ninja Clarissa!
Let's see if we could finish this project with no mistakes.
So, what's you doing?
I'm getting some solar panels on the roof.
Are you?
Well. I am putting on the brackets for the solar panels on the rails that are going up on the roof rack.
Nice.
I already got one on there.
Yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. Look at my outfit. I'm very hot.
Ninja Clarissa!
Don't make me laugh.
I'll catch you.
I got one zip tie, I got another one.
I didn't know you could move like that, honey.
All right, time to work on the big panels. I will be connecting the solar panels in series and in parallel because these are 100 watt panels, and then the panels that Johnny is working on in there are 250 watt panels. This end is gonna go into the 100 watt panel up there, and then this end is going to come out the back of the van and go into a hole on top of the van and then go down into our batteries in the back area right here. We are wired and ready. Now it's time to bring this bad boy up on the roof. How are we gonna do this?
Pure muscle and determination.
Got it?
Yep. Okay. You hold on. I don't have it. I don't have it.
I got it.
You see all these mosquitoes?
Got those two mounted. Got this side mounted on that side. Now I just need to connect these panels to those panels. So I just need nimble fingers.
You want me to do it?
Maybe.
Was that my cue? Taking you a while.
Huh?
Ta-da! Look at this roof, you guys.
Don't stand on ladders like this. It even says it on the top to not do that.
Don't wear oversized flip-flops on the ladder either. That's hard, honey.
It's not easy.
Physically, that's really hard.
You almost had it.
That was close. Honey, I did it.
Good job.
Did you see that?
You did it.
I think I need to go take a nap. Drilling a hole in the van. Where are you drilling it?
In the ceiling. Somewhere over here.
I love doing this. This is so much fun. Let me tell you.
That's sarcasm?
Nope. I'm being very serious. This is like my favorite thing that I've done all day.
Can't tell if you're being serious or not.
So I'm gonna be traveling this over to the wall, down the wall, and then over to the MPPT right here.
All right, everything's connected.
Go.
No sparks. You gotta turn this on, right?
It's on.
Oh, you never turned it off?
No.
That's sketchy.
Off to the pond we go. Johnny is driving me crazy. Just kidding. He has been jumping out of his skin, excited to see how the solar panels are gonna work today.
We got the main ingredient, which is sun. We didn't have that yesterday.
So we are headed out to the van to go test the system. So we have sun, but not over there. Here's the struggle of the swivel. Oh!
Learning.
First time. Beep. I messed up. Really stupidly.
These are the connections that connect all the solar panels to each other. There's two of them that we didn't put little metal pieces in. So it's basically just going wire to plastic, but it needs to be going through a conductor like metal. So we're changing those two connections. Pretty sure that should fix the problem, but nothing's ever easy. There goes nothing.
Ready?
Yeah.
done for the week. You guys! 521! Holy crap!
That's insane.
Oh, that's so awesome! 534. Did it just click off? Wait a minute. It blew the fuse. It blew the fuse. I gotta get a bigger fuse for sure.
Man, what an adventure that was.
It was a cluster of emotions, and I feel bad because I was kind of mean to Johnny, and sorry about that, honey, but we made it through, and we, in the end, we're a great team. We got this fixed, and we have solar power.
A lot of it.
What? That's amazing.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, like, comment. See you guys on the next one.
Bye.